Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page with Wix. First, let's get your foundation right. Begin by signing up for a free Wix account or logging in. Then, choose a template that perfectly matches your landing page's goal. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed options. Make sure to select the landing page category to find the most suitable designs. Clearly defining your primary objective from the start will guide all your design choices. Now, let's dive into the design and content. Customize your chosen template to reflect your brand's unique identity, using your specific colors and fonts. Craft compelling headlines that grab attention immediately. Your value proposition should be crystal clear, telling visitors exactly what you offer. Incorporate high-quality images or videos to visually engage your audience. Remember, your content must be concise and focused on one single, powerful message. Next, we'll focus on optimizing for conversion. Design a prominent and clear call to action button that stands out. Use action-oriented language for your CTA, such as Get Started or Download Now, to encourage immediate engagement. If you need to capture information, create simple, user-friendly forms. Remember to limit form fields to only the essential information. This can significantly increase your completion rates by reducing friction for your visitors. Finally, it's time to launch and track your success. Before publishing, always preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. Connect your custom domain to give your page a professional address. Once everything is ready, hit that Publish button to make your landing page live for the world to see. Don't forget to integrate analytics tools to track performance and understand visitor behavior, helping you refine your strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.